another hair video. As you can see, my hair is very, very long. And let's just get into it right now.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist and a professional makeup artist. And today we have our guest back. What's your name?
Ave.
So today we're gonna do another cute little girl hairstyle that's pretty easy and nice for the summer. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna take my Awapuhi styling treatment oil and I'm gonna use that to help detangle her hair. Alright, so now that her hair is all detangled, I'm going to go ahead and section it off more precisely into 4 sections. Now with those 2 front sections, I'm going to go ahead and put some gel on there and go ahead and throw it up into a ponytail and braid them back. Now let's go ahead and tackle the back. I'm gonna go ahead and split it up into 2 half sections. We're gonna go ahead and clip the bottom section out of the way and we're gonna focus on the top half. So first we're gonna split it up into 2 sections. Now focusing on one section, we're going to go ahead and split that section into 2 right down the middle diagonally and start braiding. We are just going to go ahead and repeat that same process on the other side. Now it's time to focus on that last back section. I'm gonna go ahead and use the sections before kind of as a marker, but instead of going diagonal, I'm just gonna go straight down.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along.
Now I'm gonna go back to that top section and I'm gonna take those braids and make cute little buns out of them and pin them in place.
We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Y'all already know this is my favorite part. I'm gonna take that edge booster and go ahead and lay down those baby hairs. I feel like this really completes the style.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
And here we go, she is all done. You guys, she is totally feeling herself. I think it turned out so cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.
Shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. And please comment if you want to see more content like this in the future. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.